I had wanted to twist my hair this morning. I went to the salon. Unfortunately, the lady only does the locking. She doesn't twist. And she wasted my time. I spent almost 30 minutes in waiting only for her to come and tell me that she only locks natural hair. And then with this one, she quoted 1,200 for micro. So I am going to do susu because this hair will surely end in locks. Yeah, that is what I want to do at the moment. Earlier on, I had wanted to test the waters when I was in Takoradi. So I asked my mother. She said, oh, she's okay with it. I asked her because 2 of my cousins were in locks some years ago, and their parents made them take the locks out. Not that they were children, you know how African parents can be sometimes. So I asked my mother, and she said, Madam, you can go ahead, given your height and weight and everything. Oh yeah, a bit fatal. Then my father there, I know he supports every move I make. Then I waited, sir. This was when I was in Takoradi, and now my mother has taken the lead. Yeah, she has started her dreadlocks journey with her permed hair. So I am finally at the roadside. Yeah, there's something that I want to talk about. See where I'm walking around. Okay, so I just walked by a school, and the teacher was teaching the kids the Lord's Prayer. So I heard the teacher telling the kids to repeat after her. For thy is the kingdom. And I was like, for thy is the kingdom. And the children didn't get it right. So because I looked at her, yeah. So when I heard for thy is the kingdom, I tend to look at her. Then she said, okay, dismiss. May the Lord be with you. And they responded, and also be with you guys. This is the foundational part of the education. No wonder when we were in school, primary school, we were singing whatever we like. In our dear Lord's garden, planted here below, many pennies. We were singing all that. So this explains why some of these teachers couldn't correct us when we were singing those gibberish, because they didn't know what to correct us with. Guys, this is the foundational part of our children's education, the crèche and the life. It is the beginning, so let's invest properly. I don't mean we should take our children to the Montessori's and the rest, but there are some schools in Ghana when you go, you see these small girls. Anyway, you cannot tell what qualification they have, but the environment and how much they charge speaks volume of the kind of the kind of what they teach. That is what I have to say. I am using one bracket of a baby like that. I just got back from the market again. Yes, we go to market because when I take the pragia, wherever I alight, it will be 2 cedis. If I alight at the junction, 2 cedis, I'll pick another one, come home. If I pick from the office to town, still 2 cedis. That's why I go to the market like that. But then we've run out of drink. For me, I don't like the carbonated drinks. I do make my own fruit juices. So the Sobolo bottles is now 18, half is 28 cedis, 50 pesos. You can just imagine something that was selling around 12, 15 cedis. It's almost twice the price of half. Then I got watermelon, one big bowl, and then orange. I forgot to buy orange. Oh, I should wait to. Okay, I forgot to buy oranges, but then I got pineapple, 15 cedis. Hey, cassava. It's like there is no cassava in Koforidia today. Nature, I see you in a bunch in ho. Baby, I know what top or dear first, you know. Or no penny or banching. But the mammy Poman sent to Sakusia, to say, local domain. Mamma means you no money and fed and tilapia and Sabine is so cool, so nano. Now make a chicken and so moody, so. Mammy, Mommy, so she's yawning, guys. Mommy, I love family. That was a yawn from Mommy Sarah. Hi, everything for me. Did Sarah Domo? How are you doing? Rain. Okay, so she's using this as her rain, her umbrella. Oh, what a pity. Rain. Go away. That's her umbrella. Okay. Early this year, I bought these oils. It was 120 cedis, and I bought 5. So we now have 2, and then this one. So we have these and this. This one is almost half. The market price today is 250. That is today. Oh, don't go and quote me tomorrow that I said it was 250 today. Cheese balls. Packaging. So cheese balls. So I bought her cheese balls and then these. Wipe no coming for me here. This one, the last time we bought one, it was 13 cedis. 13 cedis, 50%. Before it was 7 cedis, 50%. Maybe it was 13 cedis, 50 pesos. It's now 20 cedis. But I bought these for Mama Sewa. I'll have to go and buy mine. I forgot. Then I got these. As for the prices there, I don't remember. But what I know is out of the 1,000 Ghana cedis, we are left with we are left with about 200 Ghana cedis. And these are the things we bought. So I got these obviously for my hair, and they are worn out. They are worn out, so I got new ones. This is 75 Ghana cedis. It's from Primark. 75 Ghana cedis. It's slightly used. And then this one too. This one they new new look. 75. So I got all these for Mami Sewa. I got her golden moon, and then ambrosia, and then this for us. Matches we almost 17 cedis. But the last time I saw your corner, no 10 cedis. I got her this. Hi, mommy. Guys, look at your girl. Who can see the difference, mommy? Mommy, here they. Mommy, hear me. Your girl is sick. This side of her cheek is swollen. Yeah, but fortunately for her, we gave her antibiotics. We gave her Amozil. You remember in that vlog we said we are going to get her Amozil, and because of that, Tino, I need a guys, look at this. And I am one. I am blocked. Let's have me fancy Jenstra. then look at this one.
It's well for some.
Look at this one. We're not dancing. I don't know what baby nasty. Guys, since the whole system, how me who with heels crown. Look at
that. We should be movie first.
Yeah. And then this one. These days, yeah, she's been wearing my shoes. What's the way me will be? Me turn a crown. Me turn a crown and I make a